Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, June 25th, 2014. A wet and active weather pattern and cool weather pattern is on the way for the northern mid-Atlantic. If you like temperatures near to below normal, periods of rain, low humidity when it clears out, then this is your weather pattern. If you like hot, humid weather conditions, well, you can always move to Florida, at least for the next couple of weeks. What we have in place is a very active and interesting weather pattern that is going to definitely keep us on our toes. No severe weather, though. That's the good news, but plenty of rain potential is on the way. So this morning, right now, we have temperatures basically in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern tier, lower to mid 60s along the coast, and mid to upper 60s in your urban areas. Winds are light and variable for the most part, but they're developing out of the northwest around 5 miles per hour, and those winds will veer to the northeast by tonight at again around 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're not looking at any strong low pressure systems on the way, but certainly the potential for a good amount of rain. On the latest infrared satellite picture, here is the whole story over the next 5 days. You could even put it out to 7 to 10 days. What we have is a stationary front that was a strong polar cold front that produced our severe weather on what was it, Wednesday night, or should I say Tuesday night? Sorry. This cold front has stalled. It's run into the subtropical jet stream and the ridge that is over portions of the Bahamas and the southeast coastal waters. So this cold front is not moving any further south, which is pretty much normal for this time of year. And as a result, we're getting these disturbances from the polar jet stream and the subtropical jet stream developing along this frontal boundary. You can see a blow up of storms here over the central Mississippi River Valley and upper Mississippi River Valley. So what's going to happen is that these little waves of low pressure are going to track towards the northern mid-Atlantic, and that is going to lead to periods of rain, heavy at times, starting this evening, likely after the rush hour, it looks like, continuing on through tomorrow morning, tapering off tomorrow afternoon and evening, still some scattered showers, but not steady rainfall. Then on Saturday, another wave of low pressure, which is starting to develop right here, is going to take a very similar track, a little bit more moisture to work with rather wet conditions on Saturday afternoon and evening. And that's going to continue on through Sunday morning and slowly taper off Sunday afternoon with scattered cloud cover, or should I say overcast cloud cover, but scattered showers on Sunday afternoon and evening. So the weekend is not looking all that good, unfortunately, if you have any outdoor plans. If you're going to the movies, though, perfect. I mean, it'll be raining, so you're not missing much at the beach or anything, obviously. So definitely a good weekend to go out to the movies and or stay indoors and watch some Netflix, for example. So let's take a look at the radar here, and basically what you see here is that developing area of rainfall that is forming over Illinois and Iowa and pushing into Indiana, and this will continue to push through the Ohio River Valley and head towards the northern Mid-Atlantic by this evening. Again, no severe weather because this is a stable weather pattern, but certainly the potential for about a quarter to a half an inch of rain in the New York City metropolitan area and a half an inch to an inch of rain in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And then even more rain this weekend with throughout the entire region, at least an inch of rain to possibly as much as 2 to 2.5 inches of rain and some heavier downpours. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance. Unfortunately, the Penn State EWOL website is down, so we're going to use NCEP. This is your government dollars, our tax dollars here. So let's go take a look at what we have here. This is the GFS model guidance, and as you can see for this afternoon, we have pretty much clearing out here. Let's see if we could zoom in a little bit on this. And there we go. Okay, so here we are in the northern Atlantic, and again for today, we have a scattered cloud cover, increasing cloud cover throughout the day. This evening, the showers move into the region with some heavier downpours at times. I'll zoom that out a little bit. And you can see by this evening and overnight tonight, periods of moderate to heavy rainfall could be expected with that wave of low pressure as it passes through the region. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we start to clear out a little bit. And then tomorrow night on through Saturday morning, we get more scattered cloud cover. So for today, look for temperatures in the lower to mid 80s for highs. For tomorrow, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s and high temperatures. This is where it gets pretty impressive. Lower to mid 70s in the New York City metro and basically along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley, where we're just a little bit further away from that marine air mass. Then moving forward, as we head into the weekend for Saturday afternoon, you can see those showers start to increase in coverage, becoming widespread by the evening and heavy at times. And that's going to continue on through Sunday morning with some heavy downpours. And by Sunday afternoon, we start to get some scattered cloud cover. So on Saturday, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. On Sunday, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Definitely below normal for this time of year, especially on Saturday with that strong easterly wind. Then for the start of next week, basically the same scenarios evolving here. On Monday, we have scattered cloud cover. Could see an isolated shower in the evening. Low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s with drier conditions. On Tuesday, we see some scattered cloud cover, and then showers return in the afternoon and evening hours. And those showers will linger on through the evening and into Wednesday morning. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And then on Wednesday, low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Generally averaging slightly below normal to well below normal for this time of year, with the potential for showers almost every day. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.